And a really simple example that we can start with is giving the command, giving the direction to go somewhere. Haere atsu, haere mae. So we can think of that as the first part of the sentence, and then the next part of the sentence is where we can start to differentiate between o or a ho. So if I tell you to haere mai, I might say haere mai ki, which is setting you up for the direction in which I want you to go, and I might want you to come to me. Haere mai ki aho. So if we've ever got these sentences where we've got these little particles ki or I that precede the pronoun aho or o, the distinction is that we would often have the particle, then a, and then the pronoun or even the name. So if I wanted you to go to someone else, I might say haere atu ki a ia. Ki a, and then the pronoun for him or her, ia.